Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what you should be doing if your Morgan Stanley credit card has been lost or stolen. In order to report a lost or stolen Morgan Stanley credit card, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to open up a browser, and on the web address bar you could go ahead and type in www.morganstanley.com/contact. On this page you'll be instructed on how you can go ahead and contact them, or else you could just go ahead and press the link in order to let them know about the issue. Or what you can do is you could also go ahead and open up your online banking account if you have any, and from the application itself you could go ahead and lock your card for a temporary period of time, and it's going to be disabled, so you should be able to use your online banking account as well. Or else the only way to do this procedure is to contact the customer service team and let them know about it, and they'll look into your matter. So that is how you can report a lost or stolen Morgan Stanley credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.